Wiper delete plug. Sorry I didn't do a video on it while I was taking out the wipers, the rear wiper, but I realized, you know, some people probably want to know what to plug it. Well, this is what I use. That's the part number, which is metal. This belongs to a 92 Civic hatchback CX, the very base model, one that came without a wiper. So they have a wiper, I forgot the actual name for it, I think a wiper block off plug. But that's that. You're gonna need a 10mm bolt because yeah, it'll bolt in place. And this is actually metal, so it's not the rubber plug that you guys get from the firewall and plug it. So what you do is when you remove this basically sandwich on the rear window, just cut it in half. You're gonna need this part. This is the one on the bottom, and then you're gonna do that. So this is basically underneath. The screw will, you might need to get a bigger washer, but screw will like that. This will go in the windshield, and it'll basically look like, that's how it would look like, and you're tying it down. This is actually for my son's car. His car came without a wiper in it, but it's got the hole. But your end product looks like this. So that's how it looks on the car. And the reason that's why I told you cut the top part off, because it sticks up. So if you don't cut it off, this will stick up. And you need that rubber on the window because that keeps the water out. This will keep the water out. So there you go. Can't really show you a video of me putting it on because I'm not the one putting it on, my son will. So hopefully that clear up on what you should use. This is the part number from Honda, or you can look it online. I believe you can find this cheaper online than trying to go to Honda. I paid $22 for this. I had the bolt lying around, and all this should be on your car. So all right, till next time.